In this recipe, we are going to make the cheesiest, most delicious keto drop biscuits. We're going to use simple dry ingredients that you can pick up in any grocery store. The secret ingredient is dry Parmesan cheese. This is going to act as part of the dry ingredients, and it's also going to add excellent flavor. Whisk your eggs and your milk together and melt your butter. Make sure your butter isn't too hot when you add it to the mixture. You want lots of sharp, delicious cheese for this biscuit recipe. Once the wet ingredients have been mixed into the dry ingredients, then you want to add your cheese in. Using a large spoon, drop the dough onto a parchment-lined baking tray. If you like, you can put a little bit more cheese on the top before you bake. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven. You don't want to over-bake these, so mine are usually done about 18 minutes. The underneath of the biscuit will be nice and brown, and the top is just starting to get lightly golden.